friends. So welcome to my first YouTube channel. So this is my first YouTube channel, and I want to subscribe to this first YouTube channel. I'm subscribed to it. My mom finally let me get a YouTube, so I can do it myself, but I can type it back to me because I'm the printed one. Yeah, and today we have a printed toy. I have some lotion on my hands. My favorite person in the whole world is my mommy. My second favorite person is Billie Eilish. Okay? Love her. Here's my best friend. First, I need e.l.f. primer. Yeah. I don't know why her is so good. Now I need foundation because Billie's kind of pasty. All over me. Okay. Now I need blend it with this brush. Okay. Billie is my favorite because her so beautiful. And her sing my favorite song, You Know Who I Wrote. And then that guy. Duh. I can just leave it like this. Yeah, I'm just gonna use this. Let's put more black on my other eye. Now I need some green. Let me get some green. That's so satisfying. Some purple. This is also from e.l.f. from Target. Now I just need some blush. Billie doesn't use a lot of brush, but just a little bit. It's showing. Billie doesn't even contour because her doesn't do it, so I'm not going to do it. Billie fills in her eyebrow with brown. I need to see. Okay, now I need red. Billie has the fluffiest eyebrows. Billie Eilish is have a little bit lipstick on. I'll just use a little bit. Now they're always popping, so I got poppin' one. It said poppin'. Can you open this? My mom opened everything. I don't know why, but she can't open stuff, so I have to open all it. They have to be shiny. So I got a shiny lipstick that said poppin'. So we got this from Target Queen because Walmart didn't have it because Walmart only had purple. Yeah, my mom didn't help me because it's kind of messy. But look, it says Billie Eilish. Green. It's so green. It's so green. I'm a bad guy and a sad guy and a last guy and a bad guy. now I just need to put my shirt on and my pants and my underwear. And look, it says 3T. Oh, Billy, I love green, so hard, my best friend.
75 years later.
I'm so tired now. I hope you like my video. Good night, friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we post every Wednesday.